Hello everyone, my name is Xiaomi. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert animation into your character in Godot engine. So let's check this out. The first thing you need is sprite sheet. If you don't have it, you can download it at itch.io or you can make it by yourself. If you look image like a blurry, you can go to project setting and searching for filter, click texture and change it to nearest. So now your image look like better. Next, you just want to add animation sprite 2D. Double click it and you have sprite animation 2D now. Now focus at inspector, click it and add the new animation frame. So animation window will open. Click new here, rename this to look like a better and do it for all direction. Now it's time to add some animation to this direction. You can click here and search image what do you want to use. But first thing you do is setting the grid of this image. So you can count it manually. Now you just wanna pick an image, what do you want to use? If you think animation run too fast or too slow, you can change speed here. Nice, I think this better, so I can do it to all my animation too. So I already add animation to all direction. Now we move to code session. Okay, first thing must I do is making variable for sprite sheet animation. And this is a very important part, so you can pay more attention for this part. So next I will make a function for the control animation and I will speed this up. Okay, I already complete the script. Now, I just summon the function at the basic process like this. And enter. Okay, I think animation will run with smoothly in this game. Oh nice, animation run with smoothly. Now you already know how to add animation to your game project. If you like this video, don't forget give me a like. And if you have any question, put it at comment section. My name is Xiaomi. Sayonara at other videos. Bye bye.